Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix no sound on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to fix no sound on the PlayStation 5, first of all, you have to go to settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, you're gonna find all of the settings. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, storage, sound, and so on. So go ahead and click on users and account, click on sound. And then once you click on sound, here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio, headphones, and volume. Click on audio output. And then make sure you choose your output device. You're gonna find the list that includes all of your output devices. If you have headphones, make sure you choose your headphones. And if you're working with a monitor, make sure you choose your monitor. Once you do that, just go ahead and go to volume, and then make sure you choose your audio level from here. Once you finish, just close the settings and all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.